Good morning, respected principal and teachers. My name is Joshua Eloshua D'Souza from Standard 9th A, and today I'm going to present to you COVID-19 and its mutants. Now, what is COVID 19? Coronavirus disease COVID 19 is an infectious disease caused by the SARS CoV 2 virus. Most people who get sick with COVID 19 will experience mild or moderate symptoms and recover without special treatment. Now, these people have good health, but for those people who do not have a good health and they fall sick regularly, so when they come in contact with COVID-19, they will become seriously ill and require medical attention. How the COVID-19 virus spreads. The virus can spread from an infected person, mouth or nose in small liquid particles when they cough, sneeze, speak, sing or breathe. These particles range from larger respiratory droplets to smaller aerosols. Smaller aerosol means the droplets which we cannot see from our naked eye. You can be infected by breathing in the virus if you are near someone who has COVID-19 or by touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose or mouth. The virus spreads more easily indoors and in crowded settings. As you can see in this video, the virus can spread from an infected person to a healthier person, from ranges of larger respiratory droplets to smaller aerosols. As you can see in this slide, there are two pictures. They tell us that the COVID-19 cases goes up day by day. So we must follow these precautions during this pandemic, and they are: keep at least 1 meter distance from others, clean your hands with soap regularly, cough or sneeze into your elbow, wear a mask when you go outside, open a window, get vaccinated when it's your turn. Now let's see what are mutants and how does it change. Coronavirus is made up of RNA. When the virus is attached to your cell, so they make copies of their RNA which help to spread. If there is a copying mistake, the RNA gets changed. These are called mutations. These changes can happen randomly and by accident. It's a normal part of what happens to virus as they multiply and spread, as you can see in the picture how mutations are formed. Now we will study some mutations of COVID-19. Alpha. In late 2020, experts noted gene mutation in COVID-19 cases in southeast England. This variant has since been reported in other countries like USA, etc. Scientists estimate that these mutations could make the virus up to 70% more transmissible than the normal COVID-19 virus. The mutations on the alpha variant is on the spike protein, which helps the virus infect its host. This is what COVID-19 vaccines target. These vaccines make antibodies against many parts of the spike protein. So it's unlikely that a single new mutation in the alpha variant will make the vaccines less effective. Gamma. In January 2021, experts spotted this COVID-19 variant in people from Brazil who had traveled to Japan. The Gamma variant appears to be more contagious than earlier strains of the virus, and it may be able to infect people who have already had COVID-19. A report from Brazil confirms that a 29-year woman came down with this variant after an earlier coronavirus infection a few months before. Some early research suggests that variant changes might help it evade antibodies made by your immune system after an infection or a vaccine that fight coronavirus. Now we'll see Delta variant was found in India in December 2020. It caused a huge surge in cases in mid-April 2021. As you can see in news report, everyone was wearing oxygen mask. It was this variant which came to India. This highly contagious variant is now found in 178 countries. It has been in all European countries. Research suggests that changes to the spike protein may make the Delta variant up to 50% more transmissible than other COVID 19 variants. For people who haven't taken the vaccine, the Delta variant may cause more than the original strain of the virus. Vaccinated people may also get what's called breakthrough infection, but they are less likely to be seriously sick or die. The relatively low rate of vaccination in some areas of the country is the main reason that the Delta variant has been able to spread so rapidly and shows no sign of slowing down. Getting the vaccine is the best way to slow the spread of the coronavirus and protect yourself against serious illness. Now we will study Omicron. The new variant was first detected in specimen collected on November 11 in Botswana. Experts in South Africa first reported the Omicron variant to the World Health Organization. On November 24, 2021, they discovered the variant after COVID 19 infections suddenly began to go up. Early evidence suggests that the Omicron variant causes a higher risk of reinfection compared to other variants. The World Health Organization grouped Omicron as a variant of concern. This category means the variant might have a higher transmissibility, cause more intense disease, and may be less likely to respond to vaccines or treatments. According to research, breakthrough infections are possible with the Omicron variant if you are fully vaccinated. However, COVID 19 vaccines and boosters are still effective at preventing severe illnesses, hospitalization, and death. The Omicron variant is now the dominant in the USA. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time.